Hi, today I'm running OnePlus Nord CE Lite and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application, because we should get the application from the Play Store, and in the search pool enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes, agree, pick close and tap to OK. So you'll see here information about battery temperature. In my case that's 32 and 5 degrees. And also I got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.